Kolodny Mir Research Outpost, Siberia, 300 kilometers from the nearest road. The temperature has not risen above -40 in 11 days. Tonight it is -71.
Seventh day, still building. Buyan, what is that? What is that sound? Confined space protocol said never open a door into unknown conditions without checking the air first. She opened it anyway. My God. You are not dying here. Not tonight. Buyan, push. Push her. Like said, push. Buyan, forward! Almost there. Push! Core first. Not the hands. The core. That is what kills you. Good boy. Stay. Exactly there. Yes. Drink. You need this.
She had read that gorillas read hands before they read faces. A closed fist means aggression. An open palm means offer.
The wound on her hip was professional. Clean, closed, cared for before the blizzard. She had been somewhere. She had been with people. She had not always been wild. Good morning. You are a very good dog. She had enough wood for 2 more days of full heat. After that, she would have to choose, herself or them. She did not spend time on that calculation. It's getting low. We need more. You don't have to do that. 62 hours. The blizzard lasted 62 hours. The longest she had ever documented at Kolodny Mir.
I have a western lowland gorilla and her infant at Kolodny Mir. They came in during the blizzard. Both are alive. I need veterinary support and a wildlife transport team. How fast can you get here?
I said how fast. They were sending a team. 36 hours, minimum. The road to Kolodny Mir had drifted over. She had not expected fast. She had expected possible. That was enough. Those are plants. From outside. Most of them are dead now until April.
She had been in a language research program. The marks were not language, but they were not nothing either.
There you are, Mara. That is fine. Take your time. I am not going anywhere.
Temperature, hip wound, eyes clear, Kito, healthy weight, warm, bonded with mother intact. This dressing is correct. The wound will heal cleanly. You have done this work before.
I have done a lot of things before.
Mara and Kito were being transported from the sanctuary when their aircraft developed mechanical failure. She found your light from 900 meters, through a 71-degree C's blizzard, with a hip injury and a nursing infant. No rush.
Mbeli Sanctuary will receive them well. They have worked with Mara before. She knows the place.
Good. We are all right, Buyan.
She went back inside. She filled the water reservoir. She put the blankets back in the storage chest. She opened her field notebook to the data page, and then she sat for a long time without writing anything. Her grant application for equatorial plant comparative studies was the fastest that institution had ever processed. She noted this as statistically unusual and did not examine further.
Mara adjusted well. Hip healed fully. She has no limp at all. And Kito is present.
He was 8 months old when she first held his hand in a cottage while 71-degree tried to kill them both. He did not remember that. He remembered something that
11 seconds, the same as before. Nadia counted them again. She wrote the number in her notebook, and this time she wrote what it meant.